Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Everyone make some noise for Brent. He's doing awesome. So, this next song is a title track off of our very first album. This is called Talking Dreams. 1, 2, 3, go!
Such a shoreline, oh, let's run now walk through this beautiful life. Oh, this is a good day, this is a good sign. Oh, you've got green eyes, and I've got sunrise. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh,
let's break it down a little bit. All right, Boston. I want to know if any of you would like to come on stage tonight. I need an excited volunteer. Somebody excited. It's hard to see. You in the red. Okay, will you, I don't know how you should come up here. Maybe you should go around. Yes. Will you guys remember where he was, to be nice? Okay, so, he's gonna make his way up here, and while he does, I'm gonna introduce the band. So on drums, make some noise for Greg! And on bass, give it up for Noah! On guitar, give it up for Jacob! And on keys, give it up for Bree! That's Cindy, and will you tell everyone your name?
Keith is my name.
Okay, everybody say hi, Keith! You guys are good at that. Keith, I have a present for you. Have you ever used a parasol before?
I am not.
Perfect! This is a great first time. Okay, so why don't you try putting it on your shoulder? Can you try twirling it? Nice, you're a pro. Okay, how about up here? Can you twirl it that way? Keith, you're amazing. Okay, do you feel ready? Just twirl it around, have fun. Just have fun. Okay, your guys' job is to cheer Keith on and make him feel so welcome on this stage. Can you get that best set? Here we go on 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your race. This is your life. Oh, let's run now, walk through this new life. Oh, this is a good day. This is a good sign.
You got green eyes. I got sunrise.
Ooh, ooh, make some noise for Keith! Ooh, I like it. Ooh, ooh, one last time, give it up for Keith! Thank you so much, you're amazing! You can keep it. Merry Christmas!